What's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today I'm going to do a review on my Echo PB-770T. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, if you really enjoy this video, smash that like button and be sure to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button just to stay notified when we put out a new video. Now back to the video.
Alright guys, so some of the specs on the PB-770T are that it has 572, I believe, CFM, which is awesome. That's pretty good for a backpack blower. It pushes wind at about 234 miles an hour, which is not too bad, but I don't really care about the miles per hour. It's more about the CFM and the volume of air that's coming out. I have owned this backpack blower since this spring, and it has done very well for me. I've used it all year. Usually starts on about the second or third pull, which isn't too bad. I've had other Echo equipment that starts on the very first pull. That's a lot better, but it is what it is. So let's put this thing to work. So what I am going to be blowing today, this right here. This is a pile of wet leaves, all right? These have been on the ground for about 3 or 4 days now. We got rain last night. The ground is kind of soft and muddy, and the grass is quite long. So this is what I'm going to be blowing through with the PB-770T. So this blower has not been started today or yesterday, so it's cold. Haven't started it yet today. I am a big proponent of doing cold starts so you can actually see how a machine starts up. So here we go. I'm going to choke it and prime it about 8 times. It's on. Two pulls isn't too bad. It's not too bad. This machine has been a good blower for me this year, this summer, just blowing off sidewalks and driveways. But now we're getting into the real test. This blower has never blown leaves, so we're really going to see what this sucker can do right now. All right, let's get it going. Not too bad, not too bad. Seems to be doing pretty good. Let's get some more here. That's it. As I've said, I have only had this blower since this spring, so it really hasn't done any leaves. I'm pretty impressed with it. I haven't used anything more powerful than this yet, so take it or leave it for what it's worth. But it's a reliable machine. I've never had a problem with it. I've never changed a spark plug, nothing. Runs good. As you saw, it blew leaves, wet leaves good, and moves the pile well. So you guys can make up your own mind on this, but I can tell you that I like this blower. I like my Echo equipment, and you know, make up your own mind. Do your own research. Make sure that you do all the studying and testing that you need to do. Go to your local dealer, ask them if you can run their machine, their blower. Get a feel for it, see if you like it. That's what I'm saying here. Alright guys, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always guys, I will see you once I get this pile of leaves out to the road.